What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. I've got another good one for you today. We're going to talk about Binance. It's back. I'm so pumped about it. All you naysayers are going to have to eat your words about it because, guys, he's been keeping us up to date. The one on here that's always talking for Binance. It's been really great, guys. It's finally back up. Go to Binance. Start trading, start doing whatever you want because Binance is fully upgraded and it is ready to go. This is what they just posted about 5 hours ago at 1 a.m. It says, system upgrade complete. As thanks for your support during the temporary upgrade period, all trades will be subject to a 70% discount on trading fees. I love Binance, guys. I love Binance. I don't know how you guys can hate on Binance. Not all of you, obviously. There's plenty of you guys that are chill with it, and but there's some haters out there, and there always will be. But Binance is, I think, is just the best exchange. They're so cool, and they, like I said, whenever the system went down, they were on top of it almost every single hour, hitting us up with a tweet. Hey, this is what's happening. This is when it's gonna come back up. Okay, we hit this problem. This is what we're doing about it. Always keeping us up to date, not just in the blue, okay, our system shut down, we'll fix it. Bye. They're helping us, guys. They're letting us know what's happening. And then they gave us that 30-minute period where, you could take your money out and stuff like that. So the 70% discount is going to go towards all trading fees, which is really great. So if you're looking to trade real quick and get a bunch of, even if you want to just take all your money out or something, so you're going to trade it all to Bitcoin and then take all your money out because you're scared and don't want to use Binance anymore, which is perfectly fine with me. If you don't want to use Binance, if you think it's all scam, blah, 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 take your money out. I don't need to hear it all the time. Just take your money out. I don't know why people are always like, oh, Binance is a scam. And it's like, but don't you use it? If you use it, don't be talking trash. If you think it's a scam, then don't use it. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, it's definitely not a scam. Binance is here to stay. I think it's definitely always going to be one of the top rated exchanges. Now, whether other ones like KuCoin or, Bittrex or any of those other ones will come up, Cryptopia, maybe they will. But for right now, Binance is the top. It's the king. Let's see what some of these comments are saying, guys. So I was reading through these a second ago, and you always have people that are just always gonna want more. No matter what you do, 70% off trades, that's a ridiculous amount. They don't even have to do this. They don't have to do anything. But they're giving us 70% off. They're losing so much money off of that. And then you still have people who are 70% discount. What a joke. At least make it free. You're talking 30%. How is 70% a joke? I don't know, man. These people, everybody wants stuff handed to them. There's always these, I'm not going to say kids, because I know it's mostly, everybody's an adult. Most people are adult. There's some 16-year-olds and stuff like that. But these are these young adults who are just give me this, give me that. And it's earn it, man. It's not a big deal. Just earn your own stuff. Don't expect it to be handed to you. And I'll try to keep this as little as a rant as possible. But these people have been frustrating me. They've been getting on my channel and talking mess. And I just want to explain how I feel towards this. He did answer back and he said we wanted to do it free, but it will cause issues with referrals, rebates. There is a delicate balance in everything. And see, I love CZ, man. I think he's great. I think he really has been on top of everything. And just responding to stuff like this, he says it should be free. He explains within not very much time why it can't be free. He explains it. He doesn't just say no. He's we can't because of referral rebates and stuff like that. And there is a balance, They can't just do whatever they want anytime they want. I think even 70% off I wouldn't have expected that. If they would have said, 20% off, I would have been, cool, bet. Because they don't have to do anything. And then there's people who just throw out absolute trash, that don't know what they're talking about. That's why you can't just listen to anybody and FOMO out because, this guy was pretty sure that's a scam site. Okay, there's nothing to back this up. This man just said that because he can. And that scares a lot of people. They see this and they're oh my God, is it a scam? It's no, it's not. And this guy was telling it like it was. Pretty sure you have no idea what you're talking about. Just check to confirm. He said, so why does it have BCC going crazy? And it says that BCC is Bitcoin Cash, even though the symbol for that is BCH. Def something wrong with it. He responds with, first off, Binance has always used BCC for the symbol, and that's true. Not all of them have the same symbol, okay? Bitcoin Cash is not BCH in every single exchange. So that's obviously somebody who doesn't do this and has not, or hasn't been doing it for very long, and they're gonna spread FUD and stuff like that because of their ignorance, and that bothers me so much. I hate people that are trying to scare other people, because this is people's money we're talking about. Like, it's easy to get scared when you have all of your savings, all your life savings in this stuff. It's easy to get scared when people say stuff like this, pretty sure it's a scam, or this is going crazy and they're using the wrong symbols and stuff like that. No, just stop talking trash. Like, it bothers me so much, guys. I'm sorry, but it does. Yeah, and this is just my comment section. Guys, I wanted to point out this guy. This guy kept it real. I really like. I want to give him a shout out to Maximus C's. Okay, if people are scared, then grow a pair. Ain't no thing. You're completely right. Maintenance is a must. Shows that they are on top of everything. Just let the haters hate. They have no life. Take care, and thanks for the update. It's like, yeah, that's the main thing. If you're hating on it, like, don't use it. It's these people that are hating on it, saying it's a scam, blah, blah, blah. But it's like they're using it. They like, I have thousands of dollars on there. But it's like, or it's like, why use it then? Don't use it if you think it's a scam, guys. And if you think all exchanges are a scam or something like that, then use hardware, guys. Use hardware. Download all your coins onto hardware. Keep it on there. And then you don't have to worry about it. And then you don't have to go on there saying it's a scam, blah, blah, blah. And clearly every single person on here that says it was that it was a scam is wrong, because it's already back up, giving us a 70% discount. So all these people on here, I hope they go back and say, you know what, we were wrong. Guarantee you they won't. Binance took everyone's coins and ran to the moon. Okay. This is what every hacked exchange says to buy time. Don't use exchange outside of USA. All hacks have been outside of USA. Yes, because nobody's ever been hacked in the USA. Okay. I mean, yeah, nobody's ever been hacked in the USA. That doesn't even make sense. So yeah, I mean, that's just the main thing. A lot of people just talking a lot. It's just, this guy right here, you got to notice these people, especially with long written ones, sometimes they're just spam. This guy said that's the same trick like Hexbot, BitConnect. I don't even know how you can compare this to BitConnect. You guys have seen BitConnect. BitConnect is stupid, and you knew it was a Ponzi scheme right from the beginning. I'll probably leave a link in the description about BitConnect. Not in the description, but at the end, annotations. But they first state that they have started to get huge attacks, and then they operate partly, and finally they declare a shutdown. FML, just lost all my Bitcoin, going to play Need for Speed Underground 2. And then I was watching some other videos on the shutdown, and this man posted the exact same thing. So he's going around posting the same stuff on everybody's videos that did anything on there. And then people like this guy, I don't know who he is, but I am afraid you are correct. See, he doesn't know any better, like, just to believe this. And this man was 100% wrong. But he's scaring other people, and this man may go out there and sell all of his coins in this huge dip. And that's terrible, and I don't want to see these guys lose money. That's why you don't follow anybody who doesn't know what they're talking about or doesn't back anything up with facts. Okay, guys? You really just need to, I want to see everybody make money, but I hate to see these guys that are trying to scam people or trying to get people to FOMO and stuff like that. If they're just trying to scare you, you know that it's not real. That's just how you know. Okay? That's just how you know it's not real. But a lot of you guys like to keep it real on here. This is a video I've gotten the most dislikes on, and it wasn't because of quality. Like, at one point I had way more dislikes than I had likes. It wasn't because of quality. It was because people just disagreed and want to believe that it was a scam. And, I mean, y'all do y'all. If that's what you want to believe, that's what you want to believe. I can't do anything about that. I'm just trying to get the information out there. I was just trying to keep you guys calm. I was trying to keep it real, let you know that it's not a scam and we're doing fine. Binance is back. Go on there, start trading, get that 70% off, guys. Sitting at that $409 billion market cap, guys. We're finally seeing a little bit of more steady growth. So I'm excited for that. And as always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how you feel about all this in the comments. And, I'll keep you with, how are you keeping up with crypto, guys? And I'll see you in the next one.